Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Tesla wall connector offline mode using router steps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Tesla wall connector to offline mode, start by checking your router settings. Log into your router's admin interface using a web browser. Locate the section that displays connected devices. Find the Tesla wall connector in the list of connected devices. Note the IP address assigned to the wall connector. Next, access the settings for your Wi-Fi network. Look for the DHCP settings to assign a static IP to the wall connector. Input the IP address you noted earlier. Make sure the subnet mask is correctly configured, usually 255.255.255.0. Set the default gateway to your router's IP address. Now, navigate to your Tesla wall connector's settings. Disconnect it from the current Wi-Fi network. Connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Once it's connected, return to your router settings. Remove any previously assigned IP address to avoid conflicts. Reboot your Tesla wall connector to apply the new settings. After rebooting, check if the wall connector is operational without an internet connection. If successful, the wall connector will now function in offline mode as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.